Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech and travel tips super simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to remove your credit card details from Agoda. Whether you're switching payment methods, enhancing your online security, or just cleaning up your account, this process is easy, fast, and takes less than a minute. By the end of this video, you'll feel more in control of your personal information, especially with the latest updates for 2025. First off, why bother removing your credit card from Agoda? Well, in an era of increasing cyber threats, it's always smart to minimize the risks. Plus, Agoda might have refreshed their interface, so let's make sure we're on the same page. To get started, you'll need to have your Agoda account ready. Open up the Agoda website or app on your device and log in with your email and password. If you don't remember your login details, check your email for recovery options. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, head over to your account settings. Look for the profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and click on it. This will take you to your profile page. Now, navigate to the Payment Methods or Wallet section. Agoda might label it slightly differently based on your region, but it's typically under Account Management. Here comes the main step. In the Payment Methods area, you'll see a list of your saved cards. Find the credit card you want to remove and click on it. There should be an option like Edit or Remove. Select Remove and confirm the action when prompted. Agoda will ask for a double check to prevent accidental deletions, so just verify and hit Yes or Confirm. And just like that, you're done. Your credit card details are now removed from your Agoda account. To double check, go back to the Payment Methods section and ensure it's no longer listed. If you run into any issues, like if the option isn't available, make sure you're using the latest version of the app or try on a desktop browser. Remember, keeping your financial info secure is a top priority, especially with new features rolling out in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.